Bitcoin is finally pumping. After 2 months of a really tight consolidation, which pushed Bitcoin's volatility to record lows, Bitcoin has broken higher and is now up 11.5% year to date. It's already outperforming equities to start the year, and today I want to break down what kicked this move off, why it's happening now, and the key levels you need to be watching over the next couple of weeks. So this entire move began yesterday on Tuesday. We started seeing this steady spot buying pressure you could see on the bottom pane in this chart with those green bars, which lifted Bitcoin from roughly $90,000 to 93K. Nothing euphoric, but very persistent, methodical spot volumes, the highest levels that we had seen in well over a month. And that's very important. We haven't seen very steady spot pressure over the last couple of months. It's been primarily dominated by the futures market. Because while spot buyers were quietly accumulating on the other side of the trade, short sellers piled in very aggressively, and funding rates in the perpetual futures market flipped negative, showing traders were leaning short despite the strength in the spot market, which is a prime setup for a short squeeze. And as you can see on that chart, that's exactly what happened. That imbalance triggered this squeeze, sending Bitcoin from 93K to well above 96K in very quick succession, and it wiped out quite a few shorts. Now, again, take a look at this structure. This is the formation that Bitcoin has been trapped in for nearly 2 months. It's been trapped in this tightening ascending wedge, compressing volatility to extremely low levels. And yesterday, Bitcoin exploded out of that range, decisively ending the consolidation phase, reclaiming the 50-day moving average for the first time since October, and that reclaim matters quite a bit. But even more important, the buying has remained spot-driven. That's exactly what you want to see if a rally is going to be sustained. This is less so leverage chasing price, rather it's capital entering the market outright. So the market has shifted from derivatives dominant to spot dominant. What else has flipped in Bitcoin's favor?